Assalamu alaikum, dear student of class 7, and once again welcome to my period. Now review. Means review or revision, page number 30 to 31. Revision. Okay, page 30 to 31. I have already learned you, but now first page number 31, list A and list B. You find, you will solve yourself. Very simple, very easy. But so no, I will tell you orally. Opposite, not the same meaning beta. List A and list B match the same meaning. Crimson means page gado. Deep red, same meaning is deep red. Same meaning is deep red. Transformed badlayo means in English we say changed. Same meaning changed. Scent, perfume, खुशबू, अत्र, सेंट, परफ्यूम. नगेट्स, लम्प्स, LUMPS, लम्प्स. क्लचिंग, ग्रेस्पिंग. ओके. डिलीशियस, डिलाइटफुल टू टेस्ट. एपिटाइट, डिजायर फॉर फूड. डिस्ट्रेस, ग्रेट sorrow. Accursed, under a curse. Precious, very valuable. Restore, bring back. Folly, foolishness. Okay, now crimson, same meaning is deep red, and transfer, same meaning is changed. Scent, same meaning perfume. Nuggets, same meaning lumps. Clutching, same meaning grasping. Delicious, delightful to taste, same meaning. Appetite, desire for food, same meaning. Distress, great sorrow, same meaning. Accursed, under a curse, same meaning. Precious, very valuable, same meaning. Restore, bring back, same meaning. And folly, foolishness. Okay, now language structure. Complement. I know, I have already learned you. Compliment. Well, tell me, do you know what is compliment? Yes or no? No. Why? Okay, so don't worry. Once again I will tell you. Compliment beta. Compliment is a word, phrase or clause to complete the meaning of an expression. Compliment put फ्रेज भी थी तो सघे, वर्ड भी थी तो सघे, क्लास भी थी तो सघे. जेको एक्सप्रेशन हूंदो आहे पुट उन जी आइयो. इट इज़ नेसेसरी टू कंप्लीट द मीनिंग ऑफ एन एक्सप्रेशन. इट इज़ नेसेसरी, इहो लाज़मी हूंदो आहे मतिलबु एक्सप्रेशन जी मीनिंग खे मुकमिल करणु. इट इज़ नेसेसरी टू कंप्लीट द मीनिंग ऑफ एन एक्सप्रेशन. ओके, कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड? Yes or no? No. So okay, I will write compliment. Right beta? Compliment is a word, phrase or clause, and it is necessary to complete the meaning of an expression. Example, beta, I am. I am what I am? What I am? No. So complete this sentence. We add complement. We add complement. So I am a teacher. I am a teacher. A teacher is complement. Now other example. I have a car. Who tell me? A car is complement? Yes or no? No beta. Car is a object. Car is a object, not a complement. Object means I and teacher इज़ इक्वल टू हिकिड़े माण्हू जी पुट ॿुधायो मिसाल मां ई टीचर आहियां मुंहिंजे बारे में ॿुधायो आहे मुंहिंजे एक्सप्रेशन खे छा कयईं कंप्लीट कयईं पुट त छा आहे जीअं मैथमेटिक्स में कंदो पुट 2 + 2 इज़ इक्वल टू 4 वरी हेॾां 2 + 2 इज़ इक्वल टू 4 त हे छा थी वेंदा इक्वल अगरि हुजे हा 2 + 2 4 2 + 1 3 not equal. Okay, so ये put I is equal to teacher and I not equal to car. Okay, now so read page number 30. The complement. So far we have mentioned two kinds of sentence. The first had a subject and verb but no object. Sentence: the car arrived. Example beta. The car subject and verb. Okay, car dora verb, arrived verb. Okay, now subject the car and verb arrived. The second kind had a subject and verb and an object, a person, a thing or place that receive the action. Okay, other example: subject, verb, object. Example. Okay, I saw the boy. I is a subject, means dora verb. Verb is an action word, yani verb is work. The boy, object. I and the boy are separate. ठीक है. Now there is third kind of sentence. Look at this. This is she became the house. These sentences are incomplete. Now this is other third kind. First sentence, this is incomplete. Now other, she became. Second sentence, she became. And third, the house seemed. Okay, now these sentences are incomplete or unfinished. They need something to complete them. This is called a complement. Okay beta? Yes. Now subject, verb and complement. Okay, now complete these sentences and we add complement. Subject, verb complement. This is not a main verb, auxiliary verb. Okay, this is a pencil, means this is here and he girls आ गया, he point out, इशारा तो करे, this is a pencil. She is a subject, she became a captain or doctor, etc. Captain or doctor means X, Y, Z. The house seemed empty. Okay, these are compliments. Okay, these are compliments. Now, sometimes the complement is a noun, as pencil is a noun, name of thing. Sometimes it is an adjective, empty is an adjective. We can say she became captain. Captain is a noun, or she became sick. Sick is an adjective. Okay, she became captain. She captain put a noun, and she became sick. She became sick an adjective, qualify a noun. Okay, now when the complement is noun, we can put adjectives before. Complement is noun. Okay, complement is noun. We can put adjectives before it and adjective phrase after it. This is a new red pencil with a rubber at the top. Now, exercise A, B, C, you will solve yourself. It's very simple. Means she became a teacher. First you add adjective. She became a good teacher, and prepositional phrase and a compliment. In a big university, in a famous university, she was a pupil. She was a nice pupil in the school. Okay, his father is a doctor. His father is well-known doctor in city. Number 4, Hong Kong is an island. Hong Kong is an lovely island surrounded by seas. This is my elder brother in our family. Sometimes a compliment may be phrase. Complete these sentences using the phrase given below. My sister is in good health. The ship is in the harbor. The teacher was what? Out of danger. The matter is of no importance. The machine is dash, means out of order, in the harbor, out of breath, and good health, in a hurry, out of danger, in a temper. Yeah, the teacher was out of temper. The matter is of no importance. Okay, many more. Put the words in blanks. Sometimes a sentence may need a complement even though it has an object already. They made him captain. They subject made verb, object him, complement captain. He set the animal free. Here again you see that the complement of the sentences may be a noun, captain are an adjective free. Finish these sentences by adding nouns or adjectives or complement. The judge found in the prisoner. The judge found the prisoner in prison in city etc. beta. Now compliment. I hope you will all learn compliment. One more thing we say adjust. New thing adjust. Okay, adjust is a part of sentence, is a part of sentence that contains extra information, that contain extra information. They are not necessary to complete the meaning. They are necessary to complete meaning of the sentence. पुट ॾिसो कॉम्प्लीमेंट जुमले खे मुकमिल करण लाइ एक्सप्रेशन खे कम करण लाइ नेसेसरी हूंदी आहे, लाज़मी हूंदी आहे। एडजस्ट जेका हूंदी आहे उहा सेंटेंस जो हिसो त हूंदी आहे, एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन हूंदी आहे जेका जुमले खे सेंटेंस खे मुकमिल करण लाइ नेसेसरी न हूंदी आहे, ज़रूरी न हूंदी आहे। जीअं एग्ज़ाम्पल पुट वी गिफ्टेड Bhuri a pen. Bhuri is a name beta, name of girl. Okay, now in this sentence, okay, we gifted Bhuri a pen. This is a complete sentence. Okay, now add cues on her birthday. त हे असांजो छा थी वियो? ठीकु आहे पुट, जेकॾहिं असां वी गिफ्टेड भूरी अ पेन, अगरि असां हे नथा ॾियूं ही हिसो त बि का ॻाल्हि न आहे, इम्पॉर्टेंट न आहे। अगरि ॾियूं था त असांजी छा थी वई, एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन थी वई। त असां सपोज़ कंहिंखे गिफ्ट ॾिनी त ॾिनी बसि पुट, जेकर असां ॿुधायूं था उनखे असां छाजे लाइ, कहिड़ी हैप्पी में कहिड़ी ख़ुशी लाइ असां उनखे गिफ्ट ॾिनी आहे ऑन हर बर्थडे, हुनजे सालगिरह जे ॾींहं ते, ॼमण वारे ॾींहं ते। सो डिफरेंस बिटवीन कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंड एडजस्ट, राइट बेटा? कॉम्प्लीमेंट इट इज़ नेसेसरी टू कंप्लीट द मीनिंग ऑफ एन एक्सप्रेशन, adjust it is not necessary to complete the meaning of sentence. Okay, it contains extra information. So now today our work, our topic, our task have finished. So thank you. Inshallah tomorrow I will meet you again, new topic and new lesson. So thank you so much.